Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing the lovely Princess Peach from the Super Mario universe in her classic original style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a big like because it really helps the channel grow and lets us keep making more fun drawing tutorials for you guys. Grab your pencils, pens, tablet, or sketchbook, and let's draw together. Let's begin with Peach's beautiful eyes. Draw them large and expressive with rounded shapes that give her that sweet and gentle Nintendo look. Now add the eyelashes. They're long and elegant, helping Peach look graceful and very feminine. And remember, if any step feels tricky, feel free to pause the video anytime and take your time. Princess Peach first appeared in the original Super Mario Bros. Game, released for the NES in 1985. In Japan, Peach was originally known as Princess Toadstool in many early international releases. Peach rules over the Mushroom Kingdom and is one of Nintendo's most famous characters ever created. Her signature pink dress and blonde hair design became iconic in gaming history. Next comes her tiny, delicate nose. It's very simple, using just a few smooth lines. Now draw her cute mouth with lips that almost resemble a little heart shape. This gives Peach her classic, charming smile. Let's sketch the eyebrows right above the eyes. Keep them thin and slightly curved for a soft expression. Let's shape the cheeks and jawline to form the face. Use smooth curves to keep everything soft and elegant. Now we can draw the bangs. Peach's fringe has those signature flowing curves that frame her face beautifully. The side hair strand near the ear. It sits right in front of the ear without fully covering it. Let's add the ear on the side of the head. Keep it small and rounded. Now draw her iconic blue earrings. These round jewels are one of Peach's most recognizable accessories. Let's continue shaping the top part of the hair. Use big flowing curves to create volume and movement. From this point forward, we're using a thicker outline style. You can do the same by adjusting your tablet brush size or using thicker markers traditionally. Now continue the hair flowing downward with elegant waves and pointed tips. Later, we'll extend these curves all the way toward the waist area. Oh, right. Now it's time for the crown. Start with the colorful jewels and details on the crown. These little gems make her royal design instantly recognizable. Her crown and blue jewelry have remained consistent through most versions of her design. Add the golden base shape sitting on top of her hair. Wow, now she's radiant like a princess. Now let's move on to the body. Draw the neck and then the collar of the dress. Keep the neck slim and elegant. Now shape the torso with smooth curves. Peach's design is very graceful and princess-like. Let's draw the blue brooch in the center of the chest. This jewel is another classic detail from her outfit. Now sketch the overskirt section. Later, we'll color this area with a darker pink tone to create contrast. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want even more Super Mario characters, click the card above and check out our full Mario playlist with lots of fun tutorials. We also have a tutorial showing how to draw Mario in his original style, so definitely check that out too. And hey, later this week, we'll also be drawing Princess Peach in our cartoon retro style, so stay tuned because it's gonna look amazing. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Let's continue with the large flowing skirt. Use long, curved lines to make the dress feel soft and royal. Now draw the bottom edge of the dress. Keep the curves rounded and elegant. Princess Peach was created by legendary Nintendo designer Shigeru Miyamoto. Over the years, Peach became much more than a character needing rescue. She's playable in many Mario games and often helps save the kingdom herself. In Super Princess Peach for the Nintendo DS, she was actually the main hero of the adventure. She's looking super stylish already, isn't she? Now let's move on to the arms. Draw the puffy sleeve on the left arm. This rounded shape is very important for Peach's classic design. Now sketch the left arm resting naturally at her side. Don't forget the long white glove extending above the elbow. Let's draw the relaxed left hand. Here we switched back to a thinner brush because it makes drawing hands much easier. Peach is known for abilities like floating in the air for a short time, especially in platform games. Now, draw the other puffy sleeve on the raised arm. Sketch the right arm bent into an L shape because Peach is waving at us in this pose. And again, don't forget the elegant long glove. Now, draw the right hand waving happily. Keep the fingers soft and delicate. Our princess is absolutely shining in this waving pose. For the colors, we mainly used pink tones for the dress, golden yellow for the hair and crown, blue jewels, and very soft light pink shading on the gloves to add extra charm. But of course, feel free to color your Peach any way you like and have fun with it. Let's finish the hair with those long, flowing curves extending behind the dress. This really completes Peach's iconic silhouette. Princess Peach appeared in cartoons, comics, movies, and even the Super Mario Bros. Movie, released in 2023. And here's our Princess Peach all finished. She turned out so cute and elegant in this pose. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!